Good morning, sir. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good morning.
Sir, may I suggest a table for you?
Okay.
Table for how many persons, sir?
This one, please.
This way, please. Please be seated, sir.
Okay.
By the way, sir, may I lay the napkin?
Okay.
May I suggest our juices? We have fresh juices like fresh orange, green apple juice, carrot orange juice. We also have on our concoction of iced lemon, tea, and soda, sir.
Okay, give me one carrot orange juice.
Here you go. Excuse me, sir, this is your bread. Do you want some more? Excuse me, sir, here is your carrot orange juice. Excuse me, sir, this is your cold water. By the way, I'm Justin. Excuse me, sir, here are menu. Can I take your order now? No. Can I take your order, sir?
What do you have here?
Sir, may I suggest our appetizer? We have spring roll, chicken, buffalo wings, potato stew.
Give me one chicken buffalo wings.
How about your soup? Crab and corn soup, mushroom soup, pumpkin soup.
Mushroom soup.
How about salad? We have vegetable salad, Caesar salad, potato salad.
Potato salad.
For your main course, we have beef steak, tenderloin steak, butter chicken.
Beef steak. Steak.
For your dessert, we have leche flan, buko pandan, fruit salad.
Leche flan.
How about wine? We have Nobilino, Carlos Rossi, Zinfandel.
Carlo Rossi.
Anything else, sir?
That's all.
May I repeat your order, sir? You have buffalo wings, mushroom soup, potato salad, beef steak, leche flan, Carlo Rossi.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Can I get the menu?
That will be fine.
Your food will be served in approximately 10 minutes. Will be that fine with you?
That will be fine.
Excuse me, sir. Here we go. Excuse me, sir. Please your appetizer. Buffalo wings. Sir, are you done with your appetizer? Can I take your plate now?
Okay.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Sir, this is your mushroom soup.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Are you done with your soup, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your salad. Potato salad. How is our salad, sir?
Very good.
Thank you. Can I take your plate now?
Yes.
Excuse me. Sir, here's your main course. Beef steak with mashed potato. Enjoy your meal. Sir, here is your dessert. Leche flan. Excuse me, sir. May I present you the bottle of Carlo Rossi, a white wine from California, USA, with vintage year of 1999, with 5% alcohol and 750 ml by volume. Did you want me to open the wine?
Yes.
Are you done, sir?
Yes.
Did you enjoy our food?
Yes, I like it.
Thank you. Can I take your plate now?
Okay. Waiter,
Yes, sir.
my bill please.
Here is your bill, sir.
Okay, here is 2,000.
Sir, I received 2,000 pesos. Kindly wait for your change. Sir, here is your change and receipt. Thank you for dining with us. We're looking for your next visit. Have a nice day ahead.